Meaning of HMV.
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 HMV. HMV is a British retail company that specializes in selling music, films, and other entertainment products. The acronym stands for His Master's Voice, which is the name of a painting by Francis Barraud of a dog listening to a gramophone that was used as the company's logo. HMV was founded in 1921 and grew to become one of the largest music retailers in the world. However, due to the rise of digital music and online streaming services, the company faced financial difficulties and filed for bankruptcy in 2018. It has since been acquired by Canada's Sunrise Records and continues to operate in the UK.